My name's William Jones and I'm the Technical Sales Director at Cataclean Global Limited. And I'm here today to talk to you about Cataclean, the full fuel and exhaust system cleaner for all petrol, diesel, hybrid, passenger and commercial vehicles. Simply add one 500ml bottle of Cataclean to ideally a quarter of a tank of fuel 3 to 4 times a year. Cataclean will clean the injectors, oxygen sensors, and then go on to clean the entire exhaust system, including the EGR valve and catalytic converter. In the case of the modern diesel, Cataclean will also reduce the particulates in the diesel particulate filter, or DPF. Cataclean will reduce the vehicle's emissions, so it's ideal to use before a vehicle MOT. Cataclean will also restore performance, improve MPG, and help to maintain some vital fuel and exhaust system parts. For sustained results, use Cataclean 3 to 4 times a year. Cataclean, available now from all good motor factors and automotive retail stores.